beautiful girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing the best box of the month, and that is undoubtedly the Princess box. This is the only box which brings you fabulous international original products in the box. Yes, the box is a little expensive. It is priced at 4,000, but believe me guys, the contents are worth much more than what they give, and this is how it has come in. Just look at this, friends. It's so beautiful. Just look at the box. I mean, it looks like a treasure. It's a fantastic box. Just receiving it looks like getting a gift, a very rich gift. Yeah, so I'm not going to delay it any further. Let us just go ahead and see what all we have received inside. And I have opened this, and these are all my products here. So this time it is the Princess box anniversary edition, and that is the Skinthusiast box, and this is curated by Miss Sunshine. So what I'm going to do, friends, is just going to get all the bubble wrappings out, and then let's go ahead and see the products one by one. So the first thing to come out of it is this info card. So it talks about all the products that are in it with the prices, and let us have a look at them one by one. So the first product that I have got is this Pixie Rose Tonic. I chose this Pixie Rose Tonic because it is a nourishing toner, and this brand is very popular for its toners, and this is priced at rupees 1,500, friends. So instead of this, you could either choose a Pixie Glow Tonic, or you could choose the glycolic acid from the Ordinary. The choice is yours. I did not want any acids as my toner, hence I chose this. I just want a moisturization and a nourishing toner. That's how I chose this. So it says it's a naturally soothing and rich in nutrients. This helps to tone, balance pH, minimize redness, and calm the skin. This is suitable even for the most sensitive skin, and this is an 100 ml product. The next product that I have got is this. It is from the brand Peripera, and this is again one of the things that I was eyeing, and I was planning to order this from the yesstyle.com, but this came into this box and I was very excited to get this. So you will get a random shade, and this is worth rupees 800. So let me just open it. So friends, just look at the bottle. It's so cute, and it has got this dropper like applicator, but it's not actually a dropper, and this is how the brush is. Let me apply this for you. So this is how the shade looks. It's very nice. I think this is a perfect shade for me. It's going to look beautiful. This is definitely going to be very light on the lips. Let's see how it lasts on my lips. I have heard quite rave reviews about this product, and the shade is sold out red. So yes, excited, glad to try this on my lips. The next that I have got is this mask from Dr. Jart. It's a single use mask. It's a pore-acting solution. It's a bubbling charcoal sheet mask. So I have never tried this ever before, and it is supposed to minimize and purify your pores. And friends, this mask is priced at rupees 550. Then comes a lip gloss. So shimmer is very in these days, so are lip glosses. So this is the AOA Diamond Lip Gloss, and I chose this particular shade. You can choose from many. There are some stunning shades like blue, lavender, purple, a pop pink, and honestly a lot of shades. I mean, this is the right time to choose and go and try something daring, actually very shimmery, and this is priced at rupees 350. Let me open this for you, friends. Okay, so all of them are sealed. Let us try this. So this is a golden colored shade and is going to look very pretty. So it's absolutely a shimmery shade. You can wear this on top of your lipsticks. It is going to look very beautiful. I love this shade. Happy to get this one too. Then the next one is from this very popular brand, The Ordinary, and this is the Marine Hyaluronics. It's an ultra lightweight hydration support with marine derived vegan water reservoirs, and it's a 30 ml product, and this is priced at rupees 1450 friends. So this brand particular is not available in local markets. You have to go online and get it, and then you have to pay in all the shipping cost and other things. But this is a fantastic brand and I was really looking forward to try this. And this is again a hydrator and will be perfect for everyone. Then the next product that I have received is this low pH good morning gel cleanser from the brand Cosrx. This is a 150 ml product. So I have received this one. You could get a face wash either from Etude House or a Secret Key, and this one is worth rupees 950. So the good part of all this Korean skincares is that they are all products which will suit all skin tones, and these are really something that everyone should try. I mean, this had been on my wish list for so long. I mean, all the products here had been on my wish list for so long and I did not even think twice before ordering it. This one also was something that I wanted to try. The most important part is the pH which they maintain. So this one has a low pH formula and hence it will work on your skin very well and not disturb your skin, but will help in soothing it and giving it a soft supple look. So happy to get this, friends. The next one that I have got is a pre-booking gift, and this is a ColourPop Super Shop eyeshadow, and this is a 2.1 gram product priced at rupees 700, friends. Let me just open it and show you. So this is how the shade looks. Let me open it. Have a look at this, friends. I'm going to swatch this one also. So yes, I have gone for more of golden bronze. This is how the pigmentation is, friends. Let me just swatch it. Oh my god, just look at the pigmentation. This is stunning, absolutely stunning. I am in love with this eyeshadow. This is just perfect. Abhi khatam nahi hua hai dosto. Here it comes. The next one is a beauty blender from AOA brand. This is called the Wonder Blender. Let me just open it. This is how it looks. It has got a very nice shape, a pointed tip and a flat base. Appears to be quite nice, and I have heard a lot about this, so looking forward to try this too. Then I have few more things, friends. I have some free samples. The first one is from Innisfree. It's a daily UV protection cream with an SPF of 35, and then I have another product, sample product from Yavadam. It's a premium anti-aging cream. Happy to get these, friends. Then I have received this too. They are the Maxim coffee sachet. I had received this earlier also in the princess box. I had loved this coffee. This is priced at rupees 50 each, and we are not done yet, friends. So there are few more things. How can an anniversary edition be complete without a cake? So I have a Oreo soft cake from the princess box, a gift for you. We are one. Yes, congratulations very much, princess box. We look forward to having you for many years. I think we are the ones who are the lucky ones. So yeah, congratulations once again. Then I have received this stunning stones. I am looking at what it is. Okay, so these are the dust covers for your phones. I mean, honestly, they are so trendy, so beautiful. And just look at the packaging. Whoever packs them so beautifully, it's only Priyanka, the owner, who can do such things. Oh my god, I'm honestly so excited by this time now. This is one of the most fabulous box ever. And we are still not done. This is the last product, friend. Who can be much more thoughtful than Priyanka and the princess box? So not only with the skin edition have they given us fabulous product, but they have given us this natural makeup cotton pads, which is so very essential. Each and every one of us requires it, and really thoughtful gift. So friends, with that stunning curation and with such a happy heart, I am at the end of this video. I am just waiting to try these out, friends. They are stunning, fabulous, the best curation ever, not only for this month but I think for a long time to come. Honestly, friends, I do not know how long this edition is going to be available, but do not miss out, friends. This is absolutely worth the price you are paying. Do not think about it. All the products are must-haves, and it is just a perfect combination of skincare and makeup and branded products, whatnot. I mean, fabulous. So with that, friends, we are at the end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell notification. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.